What's up, everybody? This is Sequoia, and I'm finally back on YouTube. I haven't made a YouTube video for my channel in like a year and a few months, so it's been a long time. But as you can tell by the title, I have been super busy with buying my first home. I bought my first home last year, and it has been so exciting and super busy ever since then. So I wanted to come on here really quickly. It's gonna be a short video to kind of give an update on some videos I'm gonna make, some things you're gonna see, some things I'm excited for, like to show you all. I also wanted to give 2 tips on buying your first home if you haven't already. So we'll get into the tips and then we'll talk about some other stuff. So for like the first tip, definitely what I had to do, which what I love to do, is write a list of everything that I wanted in a home after I got pre-approved. Because there's a lot of things that you may want that you probably cannot afford, but if you can, kudos for you. But if you can't, definitely take that into consideration. So after I got pre-approved, I wrote down everything that I want that I could fit into my budget, and there are a lot of things that I wanted that did not fit, but I was able to buy a home that it's kind of, it's an older home, it's historic, has some character to it, but I'm able to fit in renovations to my budgets. So I'm super excited about showing that whole process. I have a brand new kitchen that I had designed. It's all, it's finished, and I can't wait to show what I've done with that. It's just such a gorgeous kitchen. It's very pretty, very nice for my first home, first renovation project. Second thing is, what else? Oh, finding the right realtors. When I first started looking for a home, I had a realtor who did not listen to me at all. I mean, this person would send me listings in neighborhoods I said I didn't want to live in. Some of the homes were like over my budget. Some of the homes that were even under my budget just were gross. And I'm just like, what in the world? Like, why would you send this my way? But thankfully, some friends of mine told me about these realtors, and I found some new realtors, and they were amazing in the whole buying my first home process. They knew the area like the back of their hands. They were just patient with me. They listened to me. They didn't pressure me into buying something I didn't want to buy. Like, they just weren't trying to make a buck off of me. They really wanted to make sure that I was comfortable and spent my money wisely on something, in a great neighborhood. Like, we would walk into a home, like for example, we walk into a home and they wouldn't know that that's not the kind of home that I would like. But I just wanted to see it anyways, and they would just be like, I don't know. But they were right. Like, they were totally right. And I ended up buying a home that I love and that I can make into, the style, into anything that I want. So that, finding the right realtors really help. What else? I think that's all kind of like all I wanted to say and talk about. Again, this video is very short. Just wanted to come over here and say hi really quickly, letting you know that I'm going to be posting some home videos, but also posting my hair videos and my acne videos, and my skin's clearing up. I'm going great with that. I have a hair video coming out this week, right after this one, and it's about what's on my head right now, so I'm excited about that. So thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I have 700 subscribers. That's like amazing. 700 subscribers, and I'm just gonna keep pushing, keep going. So please like this video, comment down below the kind of content that you would like to see other than home beauty type videos. So I think that's it. Just wanted to say hi, give an update, and yeah.